So, let's recap. It starts with the mindset of a killer: confidence, anticipation, and composure. Then, it's about intelligent movement to create the chances others can't. And finally, it's about mastering the core techniques of finishing and drilling them relentlessly until they become second nature. Becoming a great goal scorer isn't a mystery. It's a process. It's a commitment to focused, intelligent training. Stop hoping for chances and start creating them. Stop wishing you'd scored and start expecting to. The power to transform your game is in your hands, and on your feet. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos to elevate your game. Now, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments which striker you think is the most clinical finisher in the world right now. Thanks for watching. Now go and put in the work. Knowing what to do is one thing. Ingraining it into your muscle memory is another. You must train with purpose. Here are 3 simple but incredibly effective drills you can do. Drill 1, Rapid Repetition. Place 10 balls just outside the penalty area. Your goal is to take 1 touch to set yourself, and a second touch to finish. Strike 5 with your right foot, 5 with your left. Alternate between driven shots and finesse shots. Don't just go through the motions. Visualize a goalkeeper. Pick your spot before you shoot. Rest for 30 seconds, and repeat. Drill 2, the Defender Beater. Place a cone or a bag 10 yards outside the box. This is your defender. Dribble at the cone with pace, perform a move to beat it, and then immediately get your shot off. This simulates a real game scenario where you have to create your own shot under pressure. Drill 3, Turn and Shoot. This drill is for improving your reactions in the box. Stand with your back to the goal. Have a partner pass the ball to your feet, or use a wall. As the ball arrives, your first touch should be to turn and create an angle for the shot, and your second touch is the finish. This forces you to be sharp, quick, and clinical in tight spaces. Okay, your mindset is right, your movement has created the chance. Now it's time to execute. Let's break down the essential finishing techniques. First, the low, driven shot. This is your bread and butter. It is statistically the hardest shot for a goalkeeper to save. The technique is simple: keep your head down over the ball, lock your ankle, and strike through the horizontal midline of the ball with the hard part of your foot. Follow through low and straight, aiming for the bottom corners. Power is good, but precision is lethal. Second, the finesse shot. This is for when you have a bit more time and space, or need to curl the ball around a defender or the keeper. Approach the ball slightly from the side. Use the inside of your foot, opening up your body and wrapping your foot around the ball to generate spin. Lean away from the ball slightly as you strike it. This is your tool for placing the ball with absolute accuracy. Third, the one-touch finish. In the penalty box, you often don't have time for a setup touch. This is where clinical strikers are made. The key is to get your body shape right before the ball arrives. Open your hips and use the inside of your foot to guide, or almost pass, the ball into the net. Don't swing your leg wildly. It's a firm, controlled touch. Power comes from timing, not a huge backlift. Master these 3 finishes, and you will have a tool for almost any situation you face in front of goal. Now for the secret that separates amateurs from pros: a striker's most dangerous work is done before they even touch the ball. Your movement creates the opportunity. A static striker is an easy striker to defend. You need to become a master of creating space. Here are 3 essential runs you must learn. First, the blind side run. Defenders are taught to see the ball and the player. If you can make a run on their blind side, on their back shoulder, they lose you for a split second. That split second is all you need for a teammate to slide the ball through for a one-on-one. Second, the diagonal run across the line. Instead of running straight towards the goal, run diagonally across the path of the center-backs. This is incredibly difficult to track. It forces defenders to make a choice: do they pass you on to their partner, or do they follow you out of position? Either way, you create confusion in space. Third, the check and spin. This is a classic. Make a short, sharp run towards the ball as if you want it to your feet. This will drag the defender with you. Just as they commit, you spin sharply and accelerate into the space you just created behind them. This simple move is devastatingly effective. Start practicing these movements without a ball. Visualize the defenders and the pass. Your goal is to make these runs an automatic part of your game. Before we even touch a ball, we need to start here, inside your head. You cannot become a prolific goal scorer without the right mentality. It's the foundation upon which every great striker is built. First, is unshakable confidence. You have to believe, truly believe, that when you get a chance, you are going to score. It's not arrogance, it's expectation. When Haaland gets the ball in the box, there is no doubt in his mind. He expects the net to bulge. You build this confidence in training, by taking shot after shot until the act of scoring becomes muscle memory. Second, is anticipation. The best strikers have an instinct for where the ball is going to be. But it's not magic. It's football intelligence. They are constantly scanning, watching the play develop, and predicting the empty spaces. They don't run to the ball, they run to where the ball will be. And finally, composure. Your heart is pounding, the goalkeeper looks huge, the defenders are closing in. This is the moment of maximum pressure. Composure is the ability to slow everything down in your mind, to breathe, and to execute the technique you've practiced 1,000 times. It's the difference between blasting the ball over the bar and calmly passing it into the bottom corner. Mindset isn't something you're born with. It's a skill you develop. Let me ask you a question. What's the single most decisive action in a football match? It's scoring a goal. It's the moment that changes everything. Yet, so many players I see have the passion, they have the work rate, but when that golden opportunity arrives, they hesitate. They snatch at the shot. They miss. If you've ever felt that frustration, if you know you have the potential to be a clinical, confident goal scorer but something just isn't clicking, then you are in the right place. Because today, we're not just talking about shooting. We're breaking down the entire science of goal scoring. From the mindset of the world's best strikers to the techniques and movements that will get you in the right positions, time and time again. Forget luck. Forget hoping for the best. If you truly want to score more goals, you must watch this.